Hello, everyone. My name is Ty Brown. I'm tysplanes.com. We're going to do a new kit tonight. Like I said, I bought the Meulla scale models. I'm reworking all the molds. So the second one I've got together is the Prairie water tank. I think it's about the easiest one of the larger models to put together. It's really simple. But anyway, I'm going to do a video how to put it together. I know there's instructions. I've always thought it was easier if I just show you. So all the molds have been reworked. I was able to, the master for this one and a couple of these others were still okay. I had to totally rework the master for the tank. The old master was had come apart, and there was this piece, but it's not good enough to make a new mold off of. Plus, I wanted turnbuckles. Or something looked more like a turnbuckle than what was on here. This used like wire around it, around the tank. I wanted to go with bands. So I did change it a little bit. You'll see. What it is, I did take the tank. What I did was so it looked like a not a turnbuckle, but where they're banded together with a threaded rod is there's 10 of these included in the kit. There is a gap right here in the bands, and this just covers that. So that gives you your bands around the tank that holds it together, or would in real life hold it together. So it will come pre-formed in a circle. I'm not sure yet if I'm going to pre-glue this together. It's not too hard. If I haven't done it, all you have to do is hold this together, take a piece of sandpaper and kind of rub it up and down, and it mates up those two pieces clearly, and then you can glue it together. And when you put this model where it's visible, you're going to put it to where one of the better sides are, so you're not going to see that where it's joined together. All right, this is very simple to put together. So you have two bases that and I'm just using this to hold it because I'm just going to give an example. You got the side that has the detail. It's got detail over here, and the back side is not going to have any detail. That goes to the inside. So see, you just go vertical. You take the cross braces, and what you do is you sand them until they stand up vertically. Make sure they meet nicely, and then you glue those in place. And so I'm just using this to hold it together while I demonstrate. So you're going to put the X brace, it's going to be flush with the edges. You're going to have one on the other side, same way. There's measurements in the instructions. So you've got all four sides built. You would have it all glued together. Then you have the platform for the tank. It goes crossways. I think it said on the instructions 5/8, leave 5/8 on each side. That's the simplest thing, simple to do there. Then comes in your tank is fit on top. And after you tank, then you have your roof or lid that has access, and then that goes on top. So simple to build, so simple to put together. If you're going to use this outdoors, I am using a Taskgate, which is supposed to be heat resistant. If it's really hot outside, even though it's heat resistant, it can get pliable. If you're going to do this outside, I would fill the tank with an expandable foam, and then just after just fill it up and let it bubble over, and then just cut it off. That'll keep your form of this. These braces are so thick, you should not have any problems with those at all. Included are two ladders. You can put those any way you want on the tank. Once it's glued in, you can glue it in place however you want. But this goes along with the Prairie windmill kit. Just give me a second. I'll get the Prairie windmill and we'll set them together. Okay, guys, I got the Prairie windmill to set beside it. These can be used together, like your windmill as your pump for your water tank. One thing I didn't say about the water tank, and it's in the instructions, you can use, it says a styrene tube for your water line that goes out of the tank. If you're doing this indoors, I found out it's just as easy to use a dowel, paint it black, or paint it rust color. It'll look like your water pipe coming out of it. This is the one for the Prairie windmill. I just hadn't had time. It won't hold up unless I secure it. I don't have it secured yet. So anyway, it's a good combination kit. They're both fairly easy to build. It's a great addition to your layout. These will be available at tiesplains.com. I am going to do a video really soon on painting these. If I forgot to say, when you're building either one of these, you really need to wash all the parts first. I do use some mold release at times, and you need to wash them before you paint them. Use a good quality spray primer. I use a Rust-Oleum brown primer or Krylon, either one. But I won't do a video here for too long on how to paint these. But these are two nice kits. If you have any questions, you can feel free, tiesplains@gmail.com or off my website, tiesplains.com. All right, I hope this has been interesting. Hope you have a good night.